In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call in a foreign country using Twilio. By the end, you'll have a voice-capable Twilio phone number and the right settings enabled so you can place calls internationally with confidence. First, sign in to your Twilio account and head to the console. If you're brand new, make sure your account is verified and funded. International calling requires a paid plan, and rates vary by destination. From the console, open the phone numbers section. Choose the option to buy a number. You'll land on Twilio's number search page, where you can filter what you need. Select the country for the number you want to purchase. The United States is often the easiest starting point for international calling because of broad coverage and straightforward setup. Next, make sure the capabilities filter includes voice. This is crucial. Without voice capability, the number can't place calls. If there's a toggle or checkbox for voice, turn it on, then run the search. Browse the results and pick a number you like. Before you proceed, double check that voice is listed under Capabilities on the number you're about to buy. When you're ready, click to buy, review the confirmation screen, agree to the terms, and complete the purchase. After the purchase, you should see that the number shows voice as enabled. If you don't, refresh the page or open the number's configuration to confirm. With your number ready, it's time to allow outbound calls to your destination. In the left sidebar of the console, go to Voice, then open Geo Permissions. This is where you control which countries your account is allowed to call. Use the search box to find the country you plan to call. For this walkthrough, type United States and make sure it's checked. If it's not selected, click the checkbox to enable it. Finally, click Save so the setting takes effect. That's the core setup. You've purchased a voice-capable Twilio number and enabled the geo permission needed to place calls. A couple of quick tips to ensure smooth calling. Always dial in full E164 format with the country code, keep an eye on your account balance to avoid dropped calls, and review Twilio's per minute rates for your destination so there are no billing surprises. If you plan to call additional countries, repeat the geo permission step for each one. And if calls don't complete, verify that the number you purchased supports the calling pattern you need and that no compliance requirements apply to your use case. You're all set to make international calls with Twilio. Thanks for watching, and happy calling!